Hello students, welcome back in your English 1 class. Today we will start our chapter number 13, active and passive voice. I hope you all understood the tenses chapter very well. We will start this chapter with the help of the tenses. If you understood that one chapter, then we can continue this one. I hope you understood that one very well. So here is some rules to change the active and how to change an active voice to the passive voice. Firstly, we will discuss about the general rules. The object will become subject. These are the general rules. Afterwards, I will give you one example. Second one is put the suitable auxiliary third form of the verb we will use in the passive voice. Change the verb into past participle of the verb. That means third form of verb. Next one is we will use the by preposition. The last one is that subject will become object. These are the general rules for changing an active voice into a passive voice. So now we will take one example. Ram writes a letter. So whenever we will change, firstly in the general rule we have read about the object will become subject. Here firstly you have to understand that what are the object, what are the subject, and which is the verb. So firstly it is a subject, which action is going on, that is a verb, and the receiver of the action, that is a object. The person is doing the work, that is a subject, then the action which is going on, that is a verb, and the receiver of the action, that is a object. Firstly we will change the object into the subject. Object is a letter. Then auxiliary, I will tell you afterwards that how we will change the auxiliaries is. Then third form of verb, third form of rights is written by Ram. A letter is written by Ram. In this way we will change all the sentences according to the tense. So now first of all, simple present. What is the formation of simple present tense? Subject, then first form of verb, S or ES, then object. Now we will take a example. Rita is cooking meal. Rita cooks meal. It is an example of present simple. Rita cooks meal. So how we will change it? Object will become subject, meal, afterwards object, then is, am, are, then third form of verb, then object. Object, then is, am or are. Is will use with the singular, am will be used with the I, and the are will be with the plural. Meal, is, third form of verb is, then cooked by, then Rita. Meal is cooked by Rita. Next is a present continuous. What is the formation of present continuous? Subject, then ismer, then first form of verb ing, then object. Now we will take the same sentence in a present continuous form. Rita is cooking meal. So how we will change it? Object will become subject meal, and afterwards with the is we will use being. Meal is being, then third form of verb cooked by Rita. Present continuous, afterwards present perfect. What is the formation of the present perfect? Subject, then has or have, third form of verb and object. How we will change it? Then object will become subject, then has or have, with it we will use been, then third form of verb, then by preposition, and the subject will become object. Example, Rita has cooked meal. So how we will change? Object meal, then has or have. With the singular we will use has, and with the plural we will use have. Meal has, then been, third form cooked, that will remain same because in the formation of the tenses there is a third form of verb cooked by, then subject Rita. This is all about the present tense. In the present perfect continuous, that is the exceptional case, we will not change the active voice into the passive voice over there. Next is a past tense. Simple past. So formation subject, then second form of verb, then object. How we will change? Object, then was or were, third form of verb, then by preposition, and the subject will become object. The example is Rita cooked meal. According to it, subject, then second form of verb and object. How we will change? Meal was cooked. Third form of the cook is also cooked. Second form is also cooked, and the third one is also cooked by Rita. Next one is a past continuous tense. Formation of it: subject, then was or were, then first form of verb ing, then object. How we will change? Object will become subject, then was, were, then being, third form of verb by preposition, and subject, that will become object. So here is the example. Rita was cooking meal. So how we will change? Meal, then was we will use with the singular and verb we will use with the plural. So meal was, then being, third form of verb, cooked, then by preposition, by, then subject will become object, Rita. Next is a past perfect. So formation of past perfect tense, subject, then had, third form of verb, and object. How we will convert? Object, then had, we will use been, then third form of verb by preposition, and subject will become object. So Rita had cooked meal. So object, meal, had, then been, cooked by Rita. And in the past perfect continuous, that is also an exceptional case, and future perfect continuous and future continuous, both are the exceptionals. We will not change these active voice into the passive voice. Next is a future. Simple future. Subject, then shall or will, first form of verb, then object. How we will change? Object, then shall, will, be, then third form of verb, by, and object. Rita will cook meal. Object is a meal, meal, will, being cooked by Rita. Next is a future perfect. Future continuous is an exceptional case, I told you. Now subject, then shall or will, then have, third form of verb, and object. How we will change? Object, then shall, will, have, then we will add been, then third form of verb by preposition, and the subject will become object. So Rita will have cooked meal. Now object is a meal, meal, will, have, then been, cooked, third form of verb by preposition, and subject will become object, Rita. Next is a future perfect continuous. We will not change those active voice into the passive voice. So how we will change the passive into active? We will change passive into the active. Here is one example. A poem is written by Ram. It is in a passive voice. How we will make it active? In the same way, Ram. It is in the present form, so Ram writes a poem. We will just rotate those formulas. This is all about the active and passive voice. If there will be any query in the solving these exercises, you can ask in the comment section box. Thanks and have a nice day.